Good morning and welcome to the morning call for Monday, the 21st of January 2017. It is obviously the first day of the Trump presidency and how the market's going to react. Having a look at that and just a few things that came out over his speech. The main thing to look at from a market point of view and what he did sign on over the weekend is that they are going to raise growth to 4% for GDP in 2017. Interesting considering it's currently sitting at 2.3% and the last time they reached 4% growth was back in 2000. Protectionism is clearly also part of the key, and the market's reaction to that has been indifferent on the back of it. Having a look, and I've got dollar basket up there for a reason, they are shut, but if you had a look at what happened on Friday night for us here in Australia, it did actually ease off when the Aussie dollar held, and very much held, at 75.5 US cents. Having looked at a few other bits and pieces, the S&P and the Dow did snap their 5-day losing streak. Not surprising considering it's the first time we've seen that happen since he was elected. It wasn't a huge move, and I don't think there should be much read into it. If you actually have a look at the S&P, it's trading almost perfectly sideways. So at the same time, there's also some technicals kicking into it. Iron ore fell a little bit on Friday, found 50 cents or thereabouts, still above 80 US a tonne, it's about $80.54. Having a look also at copper, it raised around about 0.2 of 1%. In the LME, oil's the one to watch. It did jump up 2.5% after having a fairly big fall 2 days before that. It may be a positive thing to see around what's going on in the energy space. Looking a bit more specific, I think I want to highlight what's going on with BHP. BHP do come out with quarterly numbers on Wednesday, but it's more about what happened from the S&P on Saturday. They did actually release a sort of a paper saying that they are now currently looking at BHP's A rating and possibly upgrading it. They did downgrade it last year from A+ to A. They actually highlight the fact they have absolutely outstanding, that's their words, and exceptional cash flow and liquidity as a reason for it, and have upgraded their expectations of the average price of iron ore by $10 US a tonne. So all very positive for BHP, something to watch. Did see the ADR up a little bit on Friday night, but again, it didn't actually really move the dial, and that piece of news came out afterwards. So they're the things I'd really highlight today. It's a fairly quiet week. We are starting Oz earnings season. It does start today, but in earnest not till February. There isn't a huge amount of news in terms of any form of data, and it is Australia Day on Thursday. So happy trading this week. Don't forget to call in 1-800-601-722. We are here all week, and there is a fair amount of borrow out there if you need it.